How to download apps on Amazon Fire Tablet. For this, you don't actually need the Google Play Store, although there is a link in the description below and at the end of this video to how to download the Google Play Store. If you want to download some different types of apps, etc., you can get on the Play Store. But for most of the apps you're probably going to want, all you need to do is click on the App Store. So here on the home page, you see that little Amazon logo with apps on it. You just need to click on there and you're going to see most of the apps you're going to want. So once you go on to the App Store here, you can kind of scroll down, look at all those different apps you can have there. You can also click on the categories, family bestsellers for you, all those different types of things to find different types of apps that you want. You can also click the top right hand corner, that little magnifying glass there, and type in whichever app you want. So let's, for instance, you're doing Twitter, you can go ahead and type that in, click on that, then you can click get, and then you can go ahead and download it like that. But that's how you download most of the apps you want on here. You can go and type in what you want. There is a link to the Google Play Store if you want to do that as well. But leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.